Alright, so the test jumper harness is pretty much done. I'm just waiting for some potting resin to show up that I ordered so that I can fill the back sides of the cavities. There's what they look like. The pins took position really well. This is the other side. So, for example, so this is this guy. So it's seated. And then I thought I'd go out to the car and I'll show you how this side interfaces with the engine harness. Okay, so like I said, this connector uses the cam lock functionality of the engine harness to lock this housing in. So I'll show you that now. I'm trying to hold the light on it here so you guys can see. Like that, and then just like stock, pull that over so it's locked now. And it pulled the housing in using the pins, and now I'm gonna hold the flashlight with my mouth and I'll eject it so you can see better. Just like that.